as the group made up of Michaela, Colin, Lexi, Olivia, Michael Zork, and Danny Keller, we were assigned the government sector. As the government sector, we came up with three main buildings: the Capitol, the Mayor's office, and the courthouse.
In the making of our buildings, we knew that we did not want to make our buildings too large. The scale that we were given corresponding to our buildings were 1 inch equals 5 feet. As a group, we decided the size of our buildings and what the dimensions would be. The dimensions for the City Hall are 12 inches by 8 inches, which would be equivalent to 60 by 40 feet. Our Capitol building is 14 inches by 20 inches, which would be equivalent to 70 by 100 feet. Lastly is our courthouse dimensions, which are 10 inches by 16 inches, which would be equivalent to 50 by 80 feet.
Okay. Okay, and as a group, we're very proud of the buildings we have made, and we communicated pretty well, most people, and yeah, we're happy with how they came out. So, I'm gonna stop. Great. This is the mayor's office. Tell you a little bit about it. We were originally gonna have pillars at the front, but they were discontinued. So, mentioned earlier, it is 8 inches by 10 inches by 10.5 inches. And on top we have a solar panel supplied by the energy group and a bell on top.
And
That's what bells do.
that's where we get our other energy from
Yeah.
acoustic energy.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is our courthouse. The dimensions are 16 by 10 inches, like said earlier. And we also have a solar panel on this building for the light energy and the bell for the acoustic energy.
Painted white. Alright, this is the Capitol building, the Big Mama. It's 14 inches by 20 inches.
From the bottom.
Yeah, and this part is 10 by 10, yeah.
And then this very top cylinder is 5 by 4 inches.
Yeah, and so this one has 2 solar panels, and door is white, but the rest is black.
We have 16 laws, and the first few are: the curfew is at 10 p.m.,
No littering,
no endangered animals,
no large bodies of water.
age 20 you can get married,
Age 24, you can have kids.
there are no weapons.
And you start to drive at age 15.
The speed limit is 35 miles per hour.
No cell phones after curfew.
You stop going to school at age 18.
And you get a part-time job at 16.
Taxes for waste disposal.
There's taxes for school.
Drinking age is 20.
Full-time job at age 20 as well. A few other ones that we didn't put on here is no killing. Alright, so we have our permits over here. We made 3. Then the Capitol building in real life would be 70 by 100 feet. The courthouse would be 50 by 80 feet. And the City Hall or Mayor's office would be 40 by 70 feet.
Originally, we had planned out that we would have our Capitol building floating up in the air and have our courthouse under the floating building, but it turns out that that's not going to work out for you.
So. Okay, so the government sector will affect us, which is the government sector, because we will have to make the laws for the city, and we will have to make sure that everything runs in harmony.
2 types of energy we use in our city are light energy from the solar panels and acoustic energy from the bells. And 1 transfer of energy is mechanical to acoustic because someone has to press the button to ring the bell at times, which would be transfer of energy would be from mechanical to sound energy because someone has to be there to press the button for the bell to ring at the right time. And electric currents that will be used in our city will be light bulbs that illuminate our buildings.
Overall, the government is very proud with our buildings, our poster, and all that we've
Our
accomplished,
overall design.
and all that we've accomplished over the course of 2 weeks.